ka Mosoni Socio-Economic Foundation mendagasngi ka arpuai tregu jemang kalapanlong ya ka program ka bathamai ka bayadei ba ka jihika ya ki khna school kantei ki ba khalai hadu khat prasnem karta kumno ban sumar kho yelade yela ka met ka phan bat yela ka lok ran yeng ya ka ne ka program lapanlong ha DSEO training hall hanongpo ha ka balawan ban pli perda do deputy commissioner ka Ribahoi district u Abelaj Baranwal ha ka jingedon nangkar ka kong KB Jerwa ka district school education officer ka jingtmu jong ka ne ka program ka long ban ai je hikai ya ki no hikai school bat ki no hikai school pat kin sa ai jing tip sha ki khna school na ka ban ta ban pan bhai ka rukom sumar kho yela ka met ka phan bat yela ka long ran yeng.
First of all, I am Ringila from Mosoni Foundation. So today we have just inaugurated the district-wide menstrual hygiene program, which we will be carrying it across the district in all the 142 schools in Ribahoi district. And today's program is we will be training all the teachers, 142 school teachers, and later on these teachers will be carrying forward the messages to the respective schools in all Ribahoi district. And along with it, we will also be distributing eco-friendly and reusable sanitary napkins to the students. The main aim is to educate the girls, adolescent girls, about the menstrual hygiene management. Also, how they can use sustainable product for their menstrual hygiene management.
In addition to what Ringila shared, there are two goals to this project. One is gender empowerment, women empowerment, and also about taking care of the environment. So while we're telling young girls that periods are normal and this is how you should take care of yourself, we're also helping them further take care of their bodies and also the environment around them. We want Meghalaya to be clean and green and a women-forward state, and this is our ultimate goal with this project.